Hey, it's Chloe Demir of Save the Victor Roll. Guess what we have here today? We've got the Cheekbone Beauty Warrior Bundle. And what is inside the Warrior Bundle, you may ask? First off, we get this little bag so we can store all our treasures that we got in our bundle. Our bundle includes 9 of the complexion sticks. Also get a eyeliner. We get a lip liner. And then we get 3 of the Sustain eye crayons. Plus, since these are all in the pencil formula, we get this cute little pencil sharpener. So there we go, is our quick unboxing of the Cheekbone Beauty Warrior Bundle. I cannot wait to do a full video trying out all these products. Plus, the ones I already have. Alrighty, have a great day, everybody. Bye.